Okay, now we're going to show you how to slap the end cap on the end of the gutter by using the crimper tool. Take a 7-inch gutter, 7-inch end cap, slides right on there, fits on there real well, pretty much. Gently, fits very easily, just like that. Okay. And metal side out, just crimp it down. 2 crimps on the bottom piece. Put a crimp up on the top. Like that. One down, one to the bottom. 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the ends. And then one in the middle like that. Around the back, do the same thing. 1/2 inch from the top. 1/2 inch from the bottom, once in the middle. Now that is never going to come off. You have to beat it off with a hammer and it'll really tweak it out if you try it. Okay, next we're going to seal this up on the inside. Silicone. Okay, you want to take a gutter flashing silicone and squirt a good bead along the seam. Like that. Flick your finger a little bit so it don't stick. Press it into the seam like that. There you go.